Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready to go to bed? Me too. And I have this beautiful bed sheet to cozy up with. There are so many positive things to say about this bed sheet set. First of all, and my favorite thing about it is the colors and the design. This is like an art piece. Look at how beautiful the colors are. Look at the design. This deep black color with these beautiful pastels on it. Oh, it is so pretty. It's also very soft and luxurious feeling. You're gonna love how this feels on your skin when you're tired and ready to go to bed. Another thing that I really like about it is how well it's made. I love the elastic in the fitted sheet. It's very strong. It's very durable. All of the stitching throughout the bed sheet is very strong and it's not going to rip on you or tear. My daughter has an average size mattress, but you can see here that there's room for an extra large mattress. This will fit perfectly in those corners. I got this set for my daughter's room. She's 16 and I love how the colors complement her room, and she loves how soft the sheets are. She has her cats and her dogs on it constantly, and it never gives us any trouble. This bed sheet is fantastic. It is beautiful, it's functional, it's durable, it's soft, it's everything that you want in a bed sheet. But that's just my point of view.